Okay, we're going to talk a little bit about what a serpentine belt is and the function that it does in a car or a truck. Now, the serpentine belt on my truck just recently broke, and I'll show you what it looks like. And I want to tell you how much it costs to get it fixed on average. You know what to do from here. Okay, so you can see my serpentine belt broke, and it looks like something like this. While the engine was off, I had to force the vehicle with some help from people pushing it to get it on the other part of the parking lot. Unfortunately, that helped snap my serpentine belt. Now, what a serpentine belt does is it's like a little pulley system, and it controls a few functions of your vehicle. It's basically a pulley system that will help navigate the alternator. It'll help navigate the water pump. It'll help, I believe it's the air conditioner, part of the air conditioner coolant that it helps operate, the power steering pump, of course, and a few other operations. So you do 100% need it. And this particular belt, you know, it's over 20 years old. This is a 1990 Ford F-150. It's the first belt that was on it, so it definitely needs replacing along with a lot of other things. But so I made a lot of calls, asked around, looked online, and the average cost to get this replaced is about 150 to 200 bucks. In today's economy, post-pandemic, you know, look anywhere from 200 to 250 to do it. It's not that major of a job, but you do have to have the tools and the know-how to do it. So you definitely, if you don't know how to do something like that, you definitely want to get somebody to do it. What I'd highly recommend you do is someone could do it here on site wherever your vehicle is. So if you have access to Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, or you have friends or someone that can do something like that, you know, you would have to have it towed if you took it somewhere, but preferably you can have someone come to where the vehicle is, your car, your truck is, and then you can have them do it there on site. Just make sure they got good reviews and they're not just some kind of fly-by-night person. You, come here. Yes, you. I need your help. Come here. You see this right here? This wall's empty. I need a YouTube play button. In order for me to get a YouTube play button, I need 100,000 subscribers. I got what, 20, 30,000 right now? I need 100. I need you, please, you to subscribe. You think my subscription doesn't help? Yes, it does. I need 100,000. I visualize what I want in this world. And what I want is a YouTube play button. I want a YouTube play button, and I need you to subscribe. You can help me. You can make your dreams come true. Just visualize it. Whatever you want in this world, you can have. You can have all your dreams come true. I want you to help me make my dreams come true. All right? So please, please subscribe.